Okay, so to know about slope, it first of all helps to understand what the heck slope is. Different lines, it's a number that describes a line. So let's draw a couple of different lines. We'll draw them without the axes on them first. So we've got, let's say, here's one line right here. Here's another line right here. Here's a line right here. Here's another line right here. Okay, so we have a number that describes these lines. These first two lines that we see are going uphill as you go from left to right. Lines like that will have positive slope. That is, they'll have some number that describes the line, and this slope, I'm guessing, is probably about 3/2. What I'm going to tell you though is it's a number greater than 1. How did I get 3/2? I pulled it out of the air for right now. Let's just say that what I do know though is that because this is going up at a steeper than a 45-degree angle, it's got a slope that's greater than 1. And it's positive. This thing is going up at less than a 45-degree angle. It probably has a slope that is positive, but less than 1. Let's just say 2/3. Okay? This slope is going downhill. Both of these lines are going downhill. Lines that go downhill as you go from left to right have negative slope. And if the slope is steep, greater than 45 degrees, it will be a negative number with fairly large magnitude. This looks like a -2 or maybe even a -3. This looks like a fairly steep line downhill. This is a fairly gentle grade downhill. Because it's downhill from left to right, we know it's negative. And because it's gentler than a 45-degree angle going downhill, we believe that the slope is something between 0 and -1. So that's basically what a slope is, first of all. It's this number that describes the direction of the slope of a line, going uphill or downhill, and its steepness. By the way, a couple of extras while I'm at this intuitive level, and then we'll go on to actually calculating it. A line that goes flat like so. Okay? A line that goes perfectly flat like that has slope equals 0. A line that goes vertical, like say this. Let's get one perfectly vertical. Okay? This has undefined slope. So it's neither going uphill or downhill, it's just going straight up and down like that. That has undefined slope. Line that's perfectly flat, neither going uphill nor downhill, has slope equals 0. Line that's going uphill from left to right has a positive slope. Line that's going downhill from left to right has a negative slope. The numbers get further from 0, bigger in magnitude, as the slopes get steeper. Okay, so that's part 1 of this. Hope this helps. Be patient. Your problems are coming up next.